The bird on the top of the old man. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, here is private screen here.
So hi, we are now here at the Triana Bridge, crossing the Triana Bridge, and we try to go to visit the church in the Triana quarters, which is a church which is very built long time ago. So antique ang church na yun. Ayun, pinapawisan ako kasi ang init ngayon. Ayan. Maganda na ngayon. Ayan. Ito ang Triana Bridge. So, samahan nyo kami at puntahan tayo bisitahin natin ang Santa Ana Church sa Triana Quarter. It's a famous, ayun siya doon, oh. Yun ang church na yun. Doon sa likod ko, yun ang tower. Yan. Doon. Okay, let's go, Kuya, come on. Kuya, hello, say hi.
Hello.
With his cam, doing photography. He loves photography too. Ayan.
Oppure 2,50 birra, 50 metri.
So this is the church that I'm telling to you that we're gonna visit today, but unluckily it is closed, so we cannot go inside because it is closed. So ayan, maganda sana kung open kasi maganda sa loob, antique ang nasa loob. So we just take a look outside, that's it. So ayan, napurnada ang ating lakad kasi closed siya. Ayan, so we will take a walk only now, for now. Ayan.
You want to visit the Esperanza de Triana?
Ayan, at dahil napurnada ang ating lakad, pumunta kami na lang dito sa tabing ilog para maglakad-lakad. Ayan, dito sa tabing ilog. At dito pala, dito on this side where Magellan start his journey going around the world. Dito. 'Di ba? Yung alam nyo yung story ni Magellan, journey going around traveling by sea. Ayan, dito siya nag-start dito sa bandang to. Dito sa river na to nag-start noong unang panahon yun. Yan, dito. Gamit yung 5 barko, si Victoria, Santiago, sino pa? Hindi kalimutan ko 5 yun yun. So, dito kami ngayon, maglakad-lakad muna kasi napurnada ang lakad namin ni Kuya. Orange tree, but you cannot eat this because it's so bitter. It's good only for cake. Ayan, pauwi na kami ngayon. So, see you again next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. God bless everyone.
Bye, 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 bye.
Happy day. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Shout out kay Jing Obar, kay Juday Badiday, kay Simon, Alana, Fem and Family, kay Emmy Grace, kay Inday at Bugoy, Emmy Grace, kay Leia Amor, sino pa? Ayan na. Palobat na ako at hindi ko na may tuloy ang aking shout out. So, bye-bye. God bless everyone. Bye.